Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are showcasing 10 of the most beautiful buttercream rose cake that are trending in 2025. Whether you love vintage vibes, modern glam, or simple elegance, we have got the perfect rose cake for you. The first one is classic rose swirl cake. This design is timeless favorite. Fully covered in pipe pink rose swirl, this cake is soft, romantic, perfect for birthdays or Mother's Day. The next is ombre buttercream rose cake. From rose red to baby blush, this ombre effect gives the cake layer beauty, like a rose bloom in color. The next is two-tone rose cake. A fun twist where each rose is piped with two colors, like lavender and cream, or pink and peach, gorgeous and unique. Great for springs or garden parties. The next is white and gold rose cake. Elegant white roses with gold shimmer detail with make this cake look luxurious. Add edible gold leaf for a high and finish, perfect for weddings or milestones birthday. The next is mini rose cupcake towers. Not one big cake, but a tower of mini cupcakes topped with buttercream roses. Adorable, easy to serve, and crowd pleasing. The next is vintage rose garden cake. Mute tones and hand pipe rose in dusty pink, sage green, and ivory. This design feels like a romantic stroll through an old garden. Add lace piping or pearls for an extra vintage feel. The next is heart-shaped rose cake. Sweet and romantic. This heart-shaped cake is covered with buttercream roses in shades of red and pink, perfect for anniversaries or Valentine's. It's love at first slice. The next is monogram rose letter cake. Spell out initial or a special number with rose. Cover with letter cake. A trendy and personal way to celebrate. The next is buttercream rose and ruffle combo cake. Half the cake is soft ruffle. This style can bring texture and elegance together. The next is tall tire rose fantasy cake, a multi-tier with cake completely wrapped in rose piping layer upon layer. It's cream, buttercream, floral, fantasy, bold, royal, and breathtaking. A true centerpiece for big events like engagements or luxury birthdays. From simple to swirl to dramatic tide beauties, buttercream rose cake make a statement. Whether you are baking at home or ordering a custom service cake, these designs are sure to impress. Here are 3 tips to make your rose cake even better. Chill the cake, use a turntable, practice the parchment before piping directly on the cake. Which rose do you like the most? Comment us in the below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your loved friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video.